when you find your purpose, this is what happens. Purpose runs smoothly. Purpose runs smoothly. But sometimes you can get something throw you off your purpose, you know. You see, the moment you are thrown off your purpose, you feel unhappy. You don't feel satisfied. You don't feel fulfilled until you get back on that track, on that path towards purpose. And that is why, you know, young people especially, it's very important to have guidance. I'll give you an example. When I teach the student, you know, I mean, they are doing medicine and I'll ask them certain questions. And the way they answer, I'll say to this one, look, you're going to be an internist. You have the potential. I think your purpose in life, the way you operate, you're going to be an internist. Or I might ask a question and somebody might answer it a certain way. I said to him, look, I think you're going to be a surgeon, you know, or you're going to be a psychiatrist. And while you're there teaching them, you're feeling them out. You're getting response from them, and you're helping them to identify their purpose. And as I said before, you know when you hit your purpose, when you feel fulfilled, you feel satisfied, you feel happy in what you're doing. If you're doing something and you know you don't feel satisfied, my personal feeling is that's not your purpose. What you should do, seek some more until you find out, you know, what really you really want to do. And for me, that is absolutely, absolutely important.
I thank you so much, Dr. Fray. Many of the things that you said just now really touch at the reason why we have this platform, the Eco-Legion with Purpose, for it's all about creating awareness, and mainly in our younger generation. Because as you said, knowing what your purpose is at an early age can make such a huge difference, not just for you, but for your community that you live in at large. And that is why purpose is such a powerful concept. That it has the implication for others is so huge that you and I, we must continue to bring others on board on the quest to discover their purpose. Because as you said earlier, we're all born with a purpose, right?
That's correct.